This is no ordinary ride. Get ready for some thrilling truck driving and breathtaking challenges. Welcome to Hall Tech. Let's get on the gas. Maybe the driver thought this was a parking space. Maybe he won't want to make this mistake again. It is a useful device when you are alone trying to get out of that quagmire. The driver's reaction was incredibly quick and precise. Just a moment's delay could have led to serious consequences. To transport a 260-ton machine like the L2350, it takes 4 high-powered Mercedes-Benz prime movers, a specialized heavy-duty trailer, and massive pulling force. The L2350 is the largest wheel loader in the world, designed to meet the toughest demands in the mining industry. It is currently being transported to the Atacama mining site, ready to get to work. Thanks to the emergency braking system, a runaway freight train was stopped in an instant. It's the kind of situation no one ever wants to face.
No corners in relocating a massive space shuttle fuel tank.
Transporting a 155-foot, 66,000-pound space shuttle fuel tank across the country is not just about logistics. It's a mission that requires precision, patience, and high expertise. Emmer International did an excellent job with their meticulous planning, from weatherproofing ET-94 to navigating through tight urban spaces. Transporting massive loads is difficult, but moving a piece of space history without a scratch is much harder. Watching them tear through the mud like it's nothing, they are truly monsters on wheels. These modular trailers are not just mere transport vehicles. They are mechanical masterpieces with 40 and 32 axle configurations. The entire system is not only powerful, but also a symbol of stability and maneuverability. The journey from Durin Sport to the Tupris refinery with such a massive load requires exquisite engineering and unwavering courage. While the machine was buried in snow and mud, Levin stepped in and handled it neatly. The scene was like a practical training session of a master rescuer. This is truly top-tier heavy-haul logistics. A 220-ton generator is anything but easy to move, yet they make it look effortless. Schwert Transport's push-and-pull convoy works in perfect harmony, ensuring every centimeter of the load moves with precision. It's a miracle he survived such a fall. He should buy a lottery ticket today. Nothing lasts forever. Even the most powerful machines eventually have to stop working. That slope was too steep, and the ice sent the car plunging straight into the water. It was a near disaster. Power does not always guarantee victory. The Gas 66 is very powerful, but today the small pickup truck has the upper hand.